Hi, this is Mr. Gary Maselli coming back at you with another cleaning video about my video training series. Now, I just happened to be cleaning at a timber frame, and these always get me excited because this is the most beautiful home to me. Anyway, so let me show you the house and home a little bit, and let me show you what we're actually doing here. This is upstairs. We'll be cleaning all of the beams, at least the ones we can really get to. I've just dusted them down. I've started up here at the upstairs. Here's the balcony. Beautiful staircase on the way down. Here's my cleaning supplies down there. And these homes are just absolutely gorgeous. If I could ever have a company to build these, it'd be my dream come true, I think. And you know, it just feels like an honor just to be here to clean this home and stuff. So we're getting this house ready for a resale. The owner requested all of these beams be cleaned, and I've cleaned the upstairs. And let me walk you into a small bedroom up here and just show you these beams and stuff. We've high dusted and wiped them down as best as we could. And there's a couple of high areas downstairs that I'll probably not be able to get to that you'll need scaffolding for. And